Hey dear Neet aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Neet 2024 biology. Before that, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first question is, lecithin, a small molecular weight organic compound found in living tissues, is an example of. The answer is phospholipids. Second question, which of the following are required for the dark reaction of photosynthesis? The answer is option C, D, and E only. So the third question is, spindle fibers attached to kinetochores of chromosomes during. The answer is option B, metaphase. Question 4. Bulliform cells are responsible for. The answer is option A, inward curling of leaves in monocots. Question 5. In the figure, which component has thin outer walls and highly thickened inner walls? You can see the diagram. The answer is option A, C. Question number 6. What is the fate of a piece of DNA carrying only gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism? You can see the options. So the answer is option C, B and C only. Question 7. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Bt toxins are insect group specific and coded by a gene CRY1AC. Statement 2. Bt toxin exists as an inactive protoxin in beta therinogenesis. However, after ingestion by insect, the inactive protoxin gets converted into active form due to acidic pH of the insect gut. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So, the answer is option C. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Moving to the next question, question 8. List of endangered species was released by. Answer is option D, IUCN. Question number 9. Identify the part of seed from the given figure which is destined to form root when the seed germinates. The answer is option C. Question 10. Match list 1 with list 2. You can see list 1 and list 2. So the answer is option C. Question 11. Identify the type of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla and androecium with respect to the ovary from the given figures A and B. The answer is option D. Question 12. Oxen is used by gardeners to prepare weed-free lawns, but no damage is caused to grass as oxen. The answer is option C, does not affect matured monocotyledonous plants. Question 13. A pink-flowered snapdragon plant was crossed with a red-flowered snapdragon plant. What type of phenotypes is or are expected in the progeny? The answer is option B, red-flowered as well as pink-flowered plants. Question 14. Which one of the following is not a criterion for classification of fungi? The answer is B, mode of nutrition. Question 15. The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of. The answer is option C, permease. Question 16. In a plant, black seed color capital B, small b is dominant over the white seed color small b. In order to find out the genotype of the black seed plant, with which of the following genotype will you cross it? The answer is option B, small b. Question 17. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead tissue. Statement 2. Gymnosperms lack xylem vessels but presence of xylem vessels is a characteristic of angiosperms. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option D. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Question 18. How many molecules of ATP and NADPH are required for every molecule of CO2 fixed in the Calvin cycle? The answer is 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. Question 19. A transcription unit in DNA is defined primarily by the three regions in DNA, and these are with respect to upstream and downstream end. The answer is option D, promoter, structural gene, terminator. Question 20. Tropical regions show greatest level of species richness because the answer is option A, C, D, and E only. Question 21. The equation of Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth is dn by dt equal to Rn k minus n by k. From this equation, k indicates the answer is option C, carrying capacity. Question 22. Inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase enzyme by malonate is an example of the answer is option C, competitive inhibition. Question number 23. Which one of the following can be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. You can see the options. The answer is option B, A, C, D, and E only. Question 24. Match list 1 with list 2. You can see list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The answer is option A. So next, question number 25. Identify the set of correct statements. You can see various statements there. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The answer is option D, B, C, D, and E only. Next, question number 26. Match list 1 with list 2. You can see list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The answer is option A. Question 27. Hind 2 always cuts DNA molecules at a particular point called recognition sequence, and it consists of answer is option B, 6 base pairs. Question 28. Which of the following is an example of actinomorphic flower? The answer is option A, Datura. Question 29. The type of conservation in which the threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special setting where they can be protected and given special care is called? The answer is biodiversity conservation. Question 30. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Chromosomes become gradually visible under light microscope during leptotin stage. Statement 2. The beginning of diplotin stage is recognized by dissolution of synaptonimal complex. In the light of above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. The answer is option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question 31. Formation of interfascicular cambium from fully developed parenchyma cells is an example of? The answer is option C, dedifferentiation. Question 32. The capacity to generate a whole plant from any cell of the plant is called? The answer is option A, totipotency. Question 33. Match list 1 with list 2. You can see list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The answer is option C. Question 34. The cofactor of the enzyme carboxypeptidase is? The answer is option A, zinc. Question 35. These are regarded as major causes of biodiversity loss. There are so many reasons. Choose the correct option. The answer is option D, A, B, and D only.